Good morning, my loves. I'm here with my furry co-leader. Yeah, my good buddy that helps me pull myself out of my slump days, even when I don't realize I'm having a slump day. So yesterday was a slump day for me. And I didn't even realize that I was having that slump day until this morning. I had a friend that helped me out with that. So slump days are going to happen. Slump days are often when that judge voice is living in your unconscious and is buried down there and can even be covered with shame. Okay, so when we have that judge voice that we've been talking about this week, which often comes out when we see people making decisions, it's an invitation for us to go on the inside and see those decisions that we want to make on the inside too, that wonderful place of discernment that we have there. So when we have that judge voice, there are a lot of strategies to deal with it. And sometimes, crazily, that judge voice can live down in your unconscious. So I think it was yesterday we talked about how 90% of us is in our unconscious. We're like an iceberg. 90% of us is below the water and 10% is above. So that 90% below is our unconscious and that 10% above is our conscious. And so when that judge voice is living buried deep down there in that unconscious area down there, it can wreak a lot of havoc. It can do crazy things. It can make us feel shame. It can make us feel bad about ourselves. And for some of us, it can make us rain chocolate chips down on the earth and just be like, we're going to eat all the chocolate chips that I can possibly eat, which is a lot of what my slump day looks like. My slump day can also look like that judgment, that should voice of the things I should be doing, the things the world should be doing. It can also be me kind of like throwing up my hands in the air and being like, well, whatever, forget it all. So that's a good indication that that judge voice is living down there in our unconscious. So I had a friend, a wonderful friend this morning that sent me a beautiful note that said, hey, how are you? I had a rough day yesterday, and kind of went on and said that he wanted to help me out with some stuff. So thank you, my love, my wonderful brother, because him saying, hey, I had a rough day yesterday, it helped me bring that voice up to my conscious. It made me conscious of, oh my goodness, I have been having a rough day as well. He kind of called forth that judge voice and was talking with my judge voice that was in my unconscious, which was really, really cool and such an incredible service to me to help me realize what was going on. Because once we realize that it's going on, we can do something about it. Once it's up in our conscious, we can actually do something about it and turn inward and decide, oh, what was that asking for me? What was that judge kind of asking for me? So if you're having a slump day, just like I had yesterday, an invitation to go out and share that with people and let people know, hey, I'm having a slump day. How about you? Because perhaps you will be doing service to somebody else just like me, and let them bring that voice up to their conscious level so that they can find the empowering thing to do to help them out. All right, and for all of you who are locked inside, I have a special gift for you. Today, the wisteria is starting to bloom, which is so beautiful and so wonderful and brings me great joy. As do all of you friends. I love all of your posts. Thank you so much. And we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.